Hello, everyone. Have you ever wondered what it feels like to be truly present, to let go of worries, and simply experience the moment in front of you? My name is Maro. I've been teaching meditation since 2018, and I'm excited to guide you through the basics of what meditation is and how to do it. Meditation has been a profound journey for me, and I'm passionate about helping others discover its benefits, such as alleviating anxiety, depression, chronic pain, learning how to navigate triggers and disappointments with greater ease. And most importantly, meditation empowers us to wake up to the beauty and richness of life. Whether you're a beginner or one of my more advanced meditation students, this recording will offer valuable insights and techniques. Meditation can seem simple on the surface. However, it is a complex practice that requires patience and dedication. Remember that it's okay to start small. My teacher always advised me to be content with simply sitting and trying. So let's dive in with an open mind and low expectations. The definition of meditation is the act of focusing your attention on one thing. And I'll say that again in case you weren't paying attention, pun intended. It is the act of focusing your attention on one thing. That little sentence is what I spend months talking about in my workshops because, well, it's hard to do. It's challenging to train the wandering mind. Imagine your mind as a playful monkey, jumping from thought to thought, worry to worry, regret to regret. The monkey mind plans, overthinks, and overanalyzes. Our goal in meditation is to gently guide this monkey back to the present moment and keep it there. The one thing that we're focusing on, our meditation object, is the breath. But it's not the idea of breathing. It's the sensations of breath. So we're looking away from the thinking mind and bringing our attention into the body as we feel and follow the breath. This is known as the ancient technique of anapanasati, which means mindfulness of inhaling and exhaling. Now, it's natural for your mind to drift away from the breath, especially as a beginner. Mind wandering is normal. It's why we're here, to train the mind to focus and be more present. Now, at some point during your meditation, you might have a moment of clarity or awareness. This moment where you wake up from mind wandering is often called an aha moment. How you handle this moment is very important because it's in this moment that we train the mind. Instead of getting upset that your mind wandered away from the meditation object, be very happy that you have woken up. Savor the feeling of being present, and then go right back into simply feeling and following the breath again, without reaction or judgment. And that's the path. Focusing on the sensations of breathing, at some point experiencing mind wandering, then waking up, feeling good about waking up, and just returning to the breath. This very simple yet challenging practice teaches us concentration because we're focusing our attention on one thing. It teaches us mindfulness because that which we're focusing on is happening in the present moment. And my favorite skill, it teaches us compassion because we develop this ability to begin again as we show kindness towards ourselves for wandering away from the breath. Concentration, mindfulness, and compassion. 3 excellent skills to help you navigate life. So with all this in mind, let's practice together. Please sit well on a chair or on a cushion on the ground with an upright spine and a relaxed torso. You can also lie down if sitting is uncomfortable. Let's set an intention together to focus on the breath and to do this practice wholeheartedly to the best of our abilities. I invite you to close your eyes if that feels good for you and feel your whole body as you sit or lie. If you're in a seated position, invite the legs and the pelvis to feel heavy and grounded, allowing the spine to lengthen upwards, crown of the head reaching for the sky. Relax the shoulders. Soften your jaw. Relax the face, your eyes, your forehead. Now bring your attention to the breath as gently as a butterfly lands on a flower. Begin to notice the sensations of breathing. Feel as though these breath sensations are the most important thing that has happened today. Without controlling your breath, to the best of your abilities, see if you can simply watch it with so much curiosity as to what it feels like to just breathe. You can either feel and follow the entire breath as it enters and leaves the body, or you may find it easier to focus on one area where you detect it most clearly, and that could be the abdomen, the chest, or perhaps you feel the cool air moving in through the nose and the warm air moving out. We've been meditating together for 2 minutes already. You're doing great. I will leave you to continue this journey on your own for another 3 minutes. Feel and follow the sensations of breathing wherever you detect it most clearly. A gong sound will signal the end of your practice. And remember this, your mind is going to wander. And when it does, tell yourself, I've wandered. It's okay. I feel good about coming back. I've wandered. It's okay. Feel good about coming back. You got this. There's never any rush to come out of this relaxed and mindful state. Take your time. Give yourself a mental pat on the back. Feel really good about practicing, because behaviors that are rewarded are repeated. Feel free to leave a comment or a question below. Thank you for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful day.